took the wrong exit, dude. We have to drive to the end of this bridge. We can't turn around. It's like a 20-minute detour that way. So we're probably gonna turn around somewhere in San Francisco. And then we gotta take the bridge back 20 minutes. 40-minute detour for absolutely no reason. But we got some cool bridge B-roll.
Where are we going?
San Francisco.
Going San Francisco. Down by the bay. Gonna meet Josh and Leah there. Check out Matt Lee's. You know, find sushi.
Treats us out to some sushi.
Yep. Hopefully we get some sushi. See you guys there. We are here.
It's not that cold.
I see a Josh and Leah over there. And a Matt Lee. What are you doing, guys?
Gonna eat sushi, hopefully.
Well, not those ones.
Oh, I thought you got those too. We're at the new Warrior Stadium. Did you know what this is? Did you know what this is?
I not know what this is exactly. We wear masks, guys. Stay safe. Wear masks, guys.
Welcome to San Francisco.
I'm in SF with my cousins. It's okay, you're on the vlog though. That's rich.
That's rich. That is rich.
I didn't litter, I swear.
I'll just pretend to throw it in your
Now you see it? Now you know. There, it's gone. It's not littering, it's biodegradable.
Ooh, the cereal is falling.
It's kind of cereal.
Hey, they don't have your cereal. You love
Right
that.
there, bro.
Reese's Puffs?
I thought we were gonna have the sushi, but close enough.
Yeah, it's still fish, right?
Still fish.
Alright, Jordan. Good flight back.
Alright, guys, have fun. We're going to eat sushi.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna stand here until we can.
He's gonna go eat sushi instead of hang out with us.
Wait, you guys are getting sushi?
Yeah, alright, we lost Brandon.
I want sushi.
Can I get a pesto? I got you a pizza, babe. You want it?
Oh, yeah. Thanks, babe.
Oh, you're the babe now, huh?
Yeah.
You're not Jordan.
Be there.
Definitely.
What a good man. pizza. Okay. I guess we can hold it like that. Alright, buddy, take care. You gotta go grab some more money. What a good man.
You'll wear one.
Hey, he about to go sell your pizza.
Probably is though.
Hey.
I ain't mad at him though.
Oh, he really selling the pizza.
Really?
Hey, can you guys do a duo dance for the camera? What do they have?
Hey, it's on film. Spit it. Spit a bar.
Girl dig.
Girl dig.
Oh damn. We're gonna do a real life rap song one day.
Right now.
No, not right now. Jordan's gonna make our beat and we're all gonna spit on it.
Alright, Jordan, make a beat. Insert here. Oh, okay. He's got the beat going.
I need to hear it because I got a vibe off it, dude. I can't.
Okay.
I need Jordan's beat only.
Jordan's beat.
It's Jordan. Hey, it's Jordan's beat.
Damn.
You needed an ad lib, right? It's Jordan's beat.
That's gonna
Hey,
be.
just give him some hi-hats.
Insert Gino music right here.
I want all hi hats and cowbells. I don't want
You don't want
anything.
808s?
Just hella.
You don't need no
No
808s?
808s. Just cowbell.
You got a name?
Yeah, the What's So Funny Network.
What's so funny?
What's so funny now?
Yeah, go to suckerfreechamp.com. Send us the link of our photos. Send us photos to what the suckerfreechamp.com.
Okay.
See, you ever met the worldwide Sucker Free Champ?
Oh, he got the
You
belt.
just did.
Yeah.
All right.
This ain't no replica right here. It's 100%. And I'm here to let the whole world know we can all be sucker free. All
Okay.
Big
right,
fact.
here we go. We gonna get a pose for you though, right here.
Let's get a pose, boys. 1, 2, 3. It's a video. Let's go.
Hey, where are you sending that link?
Hey, just look up my YouTube channel.
Suckerfreechamp.com.
Okay, shameless plug.
I can't look you up. You got me on video, man. What the hell? Tell this guy
Hey,
something.
we'll put you in the tags.
That's right,
on
baby.
YouTube.
I can't wait to see you. I got a podcast. Let's do some stuff.
Okay.
I got a whole band. That's just the beginning.
All right.
Woo!
Stay tuned.
Live it up.
Find his channel on YouTube.
That pizza bro just bought for dude. Hey, you did a good deed, man.
I thought I was gonna be a nice guy today. buy the guy a pizza, give him a Coke, gave him some napkins. He just threw the napkins on the side like he didn't even
Hey, he
care.
left his mask too.
Yo, you're good. Oh yeah, dude. That's crazy, bro.
This is why you drug test everyone now.
On the spot.
They ask you for money, you tell them, pee in a cup, pee in this cup. If you pee clean, bro, what's up? I'll get you a pizza.
I'll give you some money. Yeah. Hey, literally no cap. I had $4 here to give him with the pizza and the Coke. But my man just seemed so.
Bro, he was too on.
So
That
ungrateful.
dude was on
He just
something.
didn't even want it. He just literally said, "Put it right here, big man." I just said, "All right, bro," and turned right around like this. Cause this guy didn't even want it.
That's sad, bro.
Hey, that's personal for you guys.
Hey, you want a pizza?
I'm a vegetarian, but I'd eat it, man.
Welcome to San Francisco.
Bum again.
Look, you want to hear the real story? Get in the back of the car, shut up, hit the gas, homie. Hit the
guys, I left the camera with Josh and them.
Apparently I shot everything in the wrong mode and we have no audio and everything is in friggin' ridiculous slow motion. So
everything
you can tell where the video went wrong as soon as we said bye to Jordan in San Francisco. It all went downhill from there.
Yep.
I guess I'll throw it in as B-roll. We'll play some good music for you guys you can watch. But we're back.
You guys don't know what's going on right now. We're going to pick up the Hachi.
Yep.
Josh got the trailer.
That's why we came here. Let's see what Leah has to say about switching up the settings. Hey babe.
What's up?
Apparently all the settings got switched up on the camera. How am I supposed to know? I'm not a filmer.
Yeah, that's why Jordan needs to be there to film.
We're going to Vallejo now. We're an hour away. I got the trailer.
Thank you, boss man.
Thank you, man.
Can we get a picture before we go?
Of course. Give Jordan your phone.
Yes, sir.
Get a pic real quick, Jordan. All right, Drew. You take care, buddy.
Bye, Momo. Bye, Coco.
No, I don't like to Jerry.
I'm leaving. I'm staying here.
Why can't you do it?
Bye, Momo.
No, I don't like to Jerry.
I have to stay here with my sister.
Bye, baby.
Uncle Jordan's staying with us.
I'm staying with my sister.
Yeah. Because I miss him too.
Yeah. Bye. Are you gonna miss Uncle Jordan?
What?
I'm gonna turn around.
And to Jamie.
Take care, man. Yeah, take care, guys. See you guys on YouTube.
Am I coming with you?
Yeah.
Do you want me to come with you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go with you.
Because I want you to play with me.
You want me to play with you
Tomorrow.
tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll play with you tomorrow.
Then
It's currently 3:57.
Oh my god, I'm gonna crash. We're still driving.
We're finally in Marietta.
We made it. Look at all these snacks I just have on the freaking dashboard.
Josh has been driving for
Since 11 o'clock this morning. 600 miles, I think.
nice. So we're here now, so see you guys tomorrow.
Yep, I'm gonna start editing tomorrow, I guess. We'll post the video, maybe.